Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are comparing two popular air fryers, the Ninja AF101 air fryer and the COSORI air fryer Prola. We will be evaluating each product in various categories to determine which one is better in what areas. Before we begin, please like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews like this. Both products come with a 4-quart cooking capacity, but the Ninja AF101 can hold up to 2 pounds of French fries, while the COSORI air fryer Prola can hold up to 5 quarts of cooking space for food enough for 1 to 4 people. The COSORI model definitely has a slight edge here in terms of capacity. The COSORI air fryer Prola boasts of 9 one-touch cooking functions that can be set on a tempered glass display, while the Ninja AF101 offers a wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for gentle moisture removal or quick cooking. Both offer a range of cooking functions, but the COSORI's additional functions give it an edge. The Ninja AF101 air fryer is priced at $89, while the COSORI air fryer Prola is priced at $99, which is slightly more expensive. However, we'll leave it up to you to decide if the additional features are enough to justify the price difference. Both air fryers have a sleek design and come with a non-stick basket that is dishwasher safe. However, the COSORI model has a more compact design that takes up less counter space, making it a good fit for small kitchens. The Ninja AF101 model, on the other hand, has a crisper plate that can be used to make flat, chip-like dehydrated snacks. And that concludes our comparison between the Ninja AF101 air fryer and the COSORI air fryer Prola. Both air fryers have their pros and cons, but overall, the COSORI model seems to have a slight edge in terms of features and design. However, do keep in mind that the Ninja AF101 is priced slightly lower. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful product reviews like this.